Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your own voice in Suno AI. First, open the Suno AI website on your computer, then click on Sign In from the top right corner. Here, select the Google icon to log in. Choose your Google account and click Continue. After that, you'll need to enter your date of birth and click Continue again to proceed. Once you're logged in, go to the Create section. You'll see options like Simple or Custom. Select Simple for a straightforward setup. Then click on Audio and choose Upload to select your voice from your device. You can upload audio in formats like MP3 or WAV if you don't have a file already. You can also click the download icon from the top right corner to use a sample sound file or a previous recording. After uploading, you can listen to your audio and trim it if necessary. This allows you to remove unwanted parts and make the voice recording cleaner. Once you are satisfied, click Save. Next, choose how you want to use the file. You can select Cover, Extend, or Save to Library depending on whether you want it for a project, extend it, or save it for future use. Then, click Continue. During the upload, you can check the Inspiration section to see examples or ideas of how other users have used their voices. Once the upload is complete, preview your recording to make sure it sounds right. Finally, click Create to finalize and start using your own voice in Suno AI for projects, audio generation, or AI experiments. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.